Lowe's customer, does Lowe's install freestanding wood stoves?
Hello and thanks for your question. I'll assist you today to the best of my ability. Depending on your location, some stores will offer installation services for wood stoves. It is recommended to contact your local Lowe's prior to purchasing to ensure your local store does offer installation. In my area there are 3 Lowe's stores in a 25-mile radius. Out of those 3 stores, only one offers installations through that particular branch. If there is anything else I can do to assist you today, please don't hesitate to ask. Marc.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.